Hello friends, welcome to TechCat, and today we discuss about how to create an animated painting view. Now let's start the topic. Firstly, you have to open the PowerPoint, then take the new slide as blank. Then we have need at least 3 images of leaves. You can see here, I copy the image and paste here. Then again copy the image and paste. Copy the image and paste here. Now resize the image. Now resize the all images from outside the slide. You can see here. Now go to Format, and here is the option color. Click on that and choose the color as transparent color and click here. You can see for this one also, go to color and choose the transparent color. Apply same action for all. Okay. Then for the animation, go to animation. Then here is the option add animation. Then choose the custom path. Click here and design the path like paint and double click here. You can see the leaf is moving. Do the same for next one. For last one, you can see leaves are moving. Then the next step is set the duration. Go to Animation pane. Go to Effect Options and then Smooth Start and Smooth Ends set to 0 seconds. Do the same for all leaves. Sorry. Okay. Then for fourth. Okay. Here is the option Start. Choose here Start with Previous. Take duration as 5 seconds and delay for 3 seconds. Then for second leaf, start with previous. Set timing which you want. You can also copy and paste the leaves. You can see path is also copied. You can change the features like duration and delay. For this one also, change the duration and delay. Change the duration and delay for everyone. Then go to Animation and add animation. Spin. Okay. For every leaf, do the same. Then the next step is add the animated video in the background. You can download any animated video which you want to insert in the background. Then go to Insert. From here video icon you can download the video and add in the presentation. Click on Insert. You can see here. Now set the video to our slide. You can see. Okay. The next step is add a tree in the presentation. Download any tree image and copy that image into presentation. Okay, it's need to resize the image. You can see here is the white screen appears on the presentation. We want to disappear that white screen. For that, go to Format, go to Color option and set transparent color. Okay, you can see. And the last step is set the objects. Click on the video, then right click on the video and there is the option send to back. Click on that. Okay. Now start the presentation. Go to slide. Now we will see how it looks like. Go to slide, then click on from beginning. You can see the leaves are moving. It looks very pretty. So friends, I hope you learn how to make an animated video. If you like this video, then share this video and subscribe my channel. Take care. Thank you.